If you're looking for information on the Tuney Lifetime Deal and Review, you've come to the right place. The Tuney Lifetime Deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the Tuney Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Ethical Music AI for creative media. Use this AI music editor and generative music platform to create custom soundtracks for your video content. AI music tools to supercharge human creativity and productivity. Move the beat drop. Change the intro length and where the beat drops just by moving a slider. Change track length. Create a custom arrangement of any track from 15 seconds to 15 minutes. Generate remixes. Tuney creates remixes by generating new stems that musically fit an original recording. Try out tracks to video. Upload a video and edit tracks to match the timing of your cuts. Tuney is an AI-based platform that allows users to create and sync soundtracks to their video content without any editing skills. It sources music from various talented artists worldwide and enables users to customize the soundtrack for their projects easily. With Tuney, users can adjust the intro length, beat drop, and peak of a track along the video timeline to match the on-screen action. The platform also allows users to create different variations of any generated track to ensure cohesive soundtracks for their projects. Tuney uses a hybrid approach that combines human music with generative elements to create a unique soundtrack, making it one of the most adaptive generative music platforms on the market. Users can sync their newly created tracks to their videos and download them as MP3, WAV, or zip file of audio stems, or even as an MP4 video file with the music perfectly synced to their video straight from the platform. Tuney is perfect for content creators and brands who repurpose long-form videos for bite-sized posts on Instagram or TikTok.